If you've been sued by a big brand, a small brand, or another seller's coming after you, or Amazon is suing you, one of the worst things you can do is not formally respond to that lawsuit, because you're going to end up with what is called a default judgment. And when that happens, what it means is that you've lost the case on the merits automatically, and now it's all about how much money you're going to have to pay. So I want to talk to you in this video about how to prevent default judgments from being issued against you, and it also will protect you from what's called statutory damages. If you want to prevent the default, you have to file an answer, which is the formal response to the lawsuit. And that answer should really contain 3 different sections. Number 1, where you respond to the allegations. Your responses are going to be either I deny it, I admit it, or I don't have enough information at my disposal to respond. The second section are what's called your affirmative defenses. Like an example is, that court has no jurisdiction over you. They sued you in the wrong place. Or the court doesn't have what's called subject matter jurisdiction, which means it belongs in a different courthouse altogether. You also have a third section called counterclaims. And this is really important for you to know. Counterclaims are where you assert your claims against whoever sued you. So let's say a brand is suing you and they made false counterfeit complaints against you. You're not only going to defend it and say, hey, I didn't sell anything that was counterfeit, but you're also going to say, you've harmed my business, you've interfered with my contract with Amazon, and these are 2 legal claims. I'm coming after you for money damages. So if any of you know me, I never push anybody into court. I believe in amicable resolutions as much as possible. But if you've been sued, or you believe that it is about time to stand up and fight for your rights, contact me for a free consultation. I'm happy to talk to you. I'm available to sellers practically 7 days a week, morning till night. Here's our phone number. Here is my email address. Don't be shy. Contact me for a free consultation.